Well, a good Sunday morning to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a good Sunday and a good weekend. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, still cold. We in the upper 20s right now. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is I'm going to give y'all a little update on the homestead and what's going on at the home in the sticks. So give me a second. That's what we finna do's. Dan, what's going on over there at the home in the sticks? Well, I am still without power. The last I checked, there is probably 8,000 people in the county still without power, and that's a good number. A couple of days ago, it was right around 15,000. Much respect to the men and women that are working on the electricity, the linemen. Hopefully we can get some electricity over here. I've been hearing it's going to be probably Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. I hope it comes on soon, because Lord of mercy, it's something else over here. What I want to do was bring you inside. I was really worried about my hydroponic stuff. It's still growing, so I'm gonna show you that. And I also did some damage control inside the shop. Looks like I'm probably gonna lose a couple of 100 pounds of deer meat because the freezers just can't keep it cold enough. But that's okay. All of that stuff can be replaced, and myself and Cash and all the animals are doing good. So that's a blessing in itself. So let's go in the shop and I'm gonna show you the hydroponic lettuce. Look at that right there. At least I'm staying warm. And I know it's gonna be hard for y'all to see in the shop. No electricity. Got that window wide open. Here is all the hydroponic lettuce. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. Here's all the hydroponic lettuce, still growing, thank goodness. Might eat me a salad later on today, I ain't no telling, but it's still growing. Here's my bok choy, still growing. I don't know what's gonna happen with my seeds, my pepper seeds I'm trying to germinate, because it has been really cold in the shop. I don't know if you can see that. Hovering around 50 degrees inside the shop. Here's the arrow garden. I don't know what's going to happen with all of this stuff. Maybe it will thrive and live, but I had a bunch of stuff come up. I had some dill and some chives come up and some basil and some parsley. So I guess we'll just have to see how that goes. Now, the one thing that I have working against me in a situation such as this is I have my wood burning heater going, and I have my freezers. There's one there and I have one there and one over there. But what's happening is, because I raise the temperature in the shop, it makes these freezers warm up. So I'm actually working against myself in this situation, because I'm trying to keep that cold, but I have that running because I'm trying to keep the shop warm. So what I've been doing is, you probably ain't gonna be able to see them when I go outside. If it's not just brutally cold in the shop, I don't run the wood burner during the day. And I'll fire it up for a couple of hours at night. What I've been doing is I've been actually charging my phone and some of my batteries for the GoPro that I'm on right now inside the car. It's been working. I've had a lot of folks ask me, Dan, why don't you just, leave? Go to a hotel or something like that. And that's a good, valid question. Actually, Philadelphia really never lost power, and the reason why is there's two different power companies. I'm out in the county, so my power company is Central Electric, and in the city they have Philadelphia Utilities. So two different power companies, but Philadelphia has power, and everything's just going about the way it normally goes in Philadelphia. But one of the main reasons why I decided not to go find me a hotel, which is very unlikely that I'd be able to get a room, because so many people in the county have flocked to the city to stay, because they have power. I have so many animals out here. So there's no way that I'd be able to, or there's no way that I would ever leave any of the animals out here. If they're gonna be cold, I guess I'm gonna be cold with them. Plus they have to be fed daily. The water troughs have to be broke of the ice. So it's just one of those things, and that's just something that I chose to do. But my uncle has been coming over in the morning times when it is feasible for him to drive, because he actually lives about 20 miles, 25 miles from me, so he's got to watch the roadway. But he's been feeding up with me as well and provides me some company. But I just wanted to give everybody an update as to what's going on over here at the Home in the Sticks. Still no power, but I'm thankful to still be here and be able to carry on and do what I normally do. What are you doing, Hank? I ain't never seen a guinea that likes to follow me around. We're gonna keep on keeping on over here at the Home in the Sticks, and hopefully we can get some power back pretty soon. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Sunday, and I hope everybody's being safe this weekend amid this crisis that we unfortunately still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing enough, get your shine on. Be you. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.